Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about Genpact recruitment of 2021. If you want to know about this recruitment details, you can check the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to our website Freshers Now and you can get all of the detailed information. Plus, you can directly apply from our website also. So don't forget to check Freshers Now website. And if you want regular job updates, you can join us through Telegram, Freshers Now channel. The link to join us will be provided in the description box, so don't forget to check it out and get the direct link access. Genpact has opened its vacancies for Process Associate, that is Customer Service, in both Telugu and English. Now, if you are fluent in Telugu language and as well as in English, you can apply to this customer service position. The responsibilities and further criteria regarding the vacancy can be found through the official website, as we can see here. So in the first section, they have just given the basic introduction of what the organization is, and they are next telling us about the invitation of application for the role of Process Associate, Customer Service. And in this role, the candidate will be responsible to demonstrate innovation by identifying the areas or the issues requiring operational adaptation and also the improvement. Active users of internet and as well as the online applications as well. The key responsibilities are as follows. You should be responsible for the customer queries and also the concerns of the customer, and you should demonstrate effective, clear and professional written and oral communication, which is interpersonal skills. Maintains acceptable performance metrics which as quality, productivity and also first contact resolution and attendance. You should actively seek solutions through logical reasoning and strong problem solving capabilities. Provide excellent customer service, and also you should exhibit the capacity of critical thinking and also analyzing that particular problem. You should also showcase your work ethics both independently and as well as the team as well. You should also have basic knowledge of digital payments. And next section, which is very important, is the qualifications that a candidate should have. The minimum qualifications that are looking in for candidate is graduate, and graduation can be done in any discipline, and freshers also are eligible to apply. Mostly the candidate should be spoken and written in English with neutral English accent. Fluency in Telugu is also a mandatory for this particular post. So you should have minimum communicative English plus Telugu fluency as well. The next preferred qualifications are, which means those are the basic essentials that you have to fulfill. Next is the mandatory skills that a candidate should have, or the preference will be given to those who have these skills, which are previous experience in customer service will be given first preference, effective problem solving skills, analytical skills, and should be able to work in flexible schedules, which also includes the weekend shifts. And all of these are the preferred, which means the first preference will be given to these candidates. Whoever is already having customer service experience, or if you are having all of these skills which are relevant here, including the language proficiency as well. Here they have given what the Genpact is and how it is treating its customers or treating its team members or its employees with equality amongst everybody. And if you need more information, you can visit the official website which is mentioned here. You can follow them on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube if you want to know more details about the organization. Here is the basic criteria of the job, which is Professor Associate. The job ID is given here. The location is going to be in Hyderabad, and the education level is bachelor's or graduation or its equivalent. Job posting is done on September 20, and the mastering skills, as said, it is operations, and this is a full-time job. Now, most of you all are wondering about what is the pay scale details. Pay scale will be according to the candidate itself. So some of them you are experienced, some of them are freshers. So according to the job role, pay scale will be given. They did not mention anything about salary here. So once if you process on with the application and move forward, then you will know with the further discussions of the personal interview, or once you meet the HR, you will then further be considerate about the pay scale details as well. So if you want to apply for this position, so you can come up like this, and here you can see the apply button. You can click here, then you will be further redirected to this page, which is sign up for campus program and our join intent. Now you have to come here and the job application will be seen here. You can select the English and read all of the details and accept it. Once you accept all the terms and conditions, you will be directed to this page, which is your username and password, where you have to sign in. You can also sign in with your Gmail account or Yahoo, and then you have to first register yourself, or if you already have the account in Genpact, then you can directly log in, or else you have to register or sign up with your Google account. If you have any other queries, place them in the comment section. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.